What up? It's KTG612. Hope everyone is doing well.
Stay safe, stay clean.
We did it, gang. We did a team. We did a squad. We hit 1K. And to celebrate, I am doing my first giveaway. I have the official KTG612 merch. The first backpack has a reflective logo, the KTG612 logo. For your safety, of course, when you're riding at night, the lights will reflect off of it. Only thinking of you. I'm only thinking of you, of course. And so, to be eligible for this giveaway, you have to
subscribe right now. Give a big thumbs up. Hit the notification bells right now.
Like the video. You have to subscribe. And you have to leave a comment on what I should do for my next video or future videos. The drawing will end on September 30th. I will notify the winner sometime in October. I'll reach out to you, get your contact information, send you out the backpack. KTG612, yeah. I'm so happy. I'm so excited though. Seriously, man. I just started this channel for giggles, just to be a part of the community, and it's grown beyond what I expected. And so I'm just so happy. I'm so appreciative of all the support of all the people that I've been in contact with. We built a community here. We're thriving. We're doing this. We got this. And if you just want to buy the backpack to support the channel, the link will be in the description below. Yeah, I just wanted to put this video out there to say thank you. I appreciate all the support. I really do. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. Couldn't have done this without you. And I feel like I got to take it to the next level. I have to provide you that entertainment that you've been missing in your life. Just lucky all you schmexy people are subscribed and are in my life. Next goal is 2K. And we're going to just keep improving, keep getting better. It went from the first 300 to the first 1K. We're an army now. We got this. Thank you all for the support. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much. And remember, merch is in the link below if you need that. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that like button. Leave that comment on what you want my next video to be eligible for this giveaway. And then we'll see you at the next video when I announce the winner. Thanks a lot, everyone. Take it easy. Be safe out there.
How can I be able to see it?
Subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I look ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails all.
Look for me. You about to be on there.
Okay.
Subscribe.
I'm gonna start a riot.